All right, so here's the job for today. Apparently the shower would not shut off, and it's because of this valve right here. I believe it's called a mixing valve, unless they came up with another name for it. Anyways, so what the customer wants is this valve replaced, obviously, and then shutoffs on each of the lines. Probably cut these off right about here, solder on some ball valves, and then we're going to actually let me take a look at what we're dealing with as far as parts go here. So we got some brass barbed fittings, and then, okay, so this valve is for use with PEX, so that's good. But it looks like the ball valves, I'm gonna have to solder both sides. So I think with that being said, but the idea here is, or at least what I think I'm going to do, is, like I said, cut about right here, solder on these valves, solder on another piece of copper pipe, unless, I might not need to do that. Yep, that's not gonna work. So solder on another piece of pipe, just a small little section, and then solder on that barbed fitting, and then crimp on some PEX. Also, before we do anything, I'll verify that the water is shut off. Now, this system is also very tight spaces in here, so let's slide this open. This system is runs off a well pump. So you know that there is a water main shut off here, which, okay, that's off. And then, so basically this runs into this water purifier system, and then everything branches out from there. So then this goes to the this pipe that comes out of here goes to the cold water, also to the hot water, and then the hot water branches out from there as well. But I guess that's irrelevant for this video. So even though that's off, I'm still going to unplug the well pump. Here's the well pump, and let's go ahead and yank the cord. So I'm going to start. I'm going to cut. I think right about there seems pretty good. Get that on there, and then do the old twirl around. I'm sure a whole bunch of water is going to come gushing out of here. Maybe not, though. We'll see. God, if I can get this tool on here, at least, that would be nice. Should have probably picked up another one of these beforehand. Alright, well, we're making it. I hear something. Oh! Alright, there's one. I don't know if I'm too happy with that cut though, but let's see. Oh, that's not bad at all. Try to make this as even as possible as well, just for aesthetics. Maybe I can find something. Try to give me a little bit of a guideline or something as far as evening this out. The cutting wheel to be. All right, boom. We got this. One more cut. All right, so we got the old valve out. We have our 3 pipes, so that goes to the shower head, obviously. We got hot and cold right there. I'm gonna solder on one of those barb fittings right here. So I'm gonna attach PEX to it, and then we can hang that thing, and then kind of go off of that and use that as our guide. All right, time for the flux and the solder. Okay, maybe there's a bunch of, there's a lot of flux on there, but it's, you know, it's fine. Trust me, I'm not a professional. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat this up all around. I wonder if I should mist that with something. Normally I'll put some sort of like backing on there. Or if I don't have anything like that, like I'm not sure if I do. Maybe there's like a towel or something I can wet down. But yeah, definitely don't want to start the wall on fire. I don't know if I'm making a more dangerous situation or not, but an idea. If I bend it, make like a tab. Something like this. Stick in there, and then yes, and then get this. Oh, but the water's not on. Shit. Bottled water in the car. All right, bottled water in the car. Soaked her down pretty good. Stick her in there. Hopefully this works. Let's give it a go. Get her up. Go. Oh, she might want to fall off though once I start heating her up. I don't know. Oh, there we go. Yep, burning the plate. Start testing her out. Nope, not there yet. Oh. Shoot, of course I don't have a mirror either. It's not very helpful. Come on. Okay. All right, so yeah, probably should have brought a mirror with me. Probably still see. Get this out of here. Yeah, I'm not really sure if this worked too well, but maybe it would have been worse without it, so. Oh, what a horrible picture. I don't know. Okay, so these are apparently expansion fittings for that expansion PEX. And so is every other one of these. So it's kind of my fault because I did not clarify to the customer that ordered this. But unfortunately, same thing with the valve as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solder on the ball valves on here and here, close them, turn the water back on, and then that's going to be a wrap today. So at least that way the water can be turned back on, and there just won't be water going to the shower. And then I'm going to figure out the rest tomorrow. I guess it's going to take a trip to the hardware store and to get the right things. But kind of kicking myself in the ass. I should have noticed that right off the bat, but I didn't. So it's been a long day. So that probably has something to do with it. Anyways, let's go over here, get these ball valves soldered on, and call it a night or a day, whatever it is. I don't even know what time it is right now. So, all right, let's get to it. All right, shut up. God damn it. All right, well that was painful and almost an embarrassment. All right, turning the water on, see what happens. I'm nervous about these things. So. Yeah. All right, so it looks like everything it's working. Soldering job, not my best. I don't know, it's difficult when you're in a spot like that. So, all right, I think I'm gonna leave it here, and then, I don't know, I think I'm gonna be done for the day. All right, so just getting packed up here, about ready to take off. Water is on, and so far, no leaks. Here are the ball valves. I obviously, when I come back, I'm gonna have to cut this off because, as I was describing before, wrong fitting for what I'm using. But no leaks. Not the prettiest soldering job though. I can't say I'm proud of it, but it is doing its job. So water's been turned on now for quite a while, and well pump should be holding strong at 50 psi. At least it better be. So let's go take a look at that really quick. Nippers. So that's another good indication that we don't have any leaks, because that would be bleeding down pretty quick and causing that pressure to drop. So tomorrow I've got to go to the store and get some new fittings, and also another one of these. So it kind of sucks because I was actually planning on getting this whole thing done today, but I guess sometimes it just doesn't work out the way that you wish it would. So let's see here. Yeah, so with this being this way right here, water can be on. Everything has water except for the shower. So, yep. So I think I'm gonna clean up shop here right now. Got all the tools packed up and everything. Get all the expensive stuff loaded up in the car. Take off and be back tomorrow.